Hey everyone, I want to show you about the December content. And so let's go ahead and dive in and get started. So first and foremost, when you come into the social media marketing course that we have for you and you scroll all the way down, after you complete the lessons, you'll be able to see the December content vault. So let me just open this up and show you what's inside. So if you scroll down, we include the social media posting schedule for you so that you don't ever forget. And then you can use our December content planner to come in here and create 30 days of content. And we even have a call that shows you how to do this. We have a mastermind call that we basically will just come in and fill all of this stuff out together. And we did that just now, literally just got off the call right now. And so you can watch the replay or you can join us for next month's call if you want to, but we have our 30-day content planner right here for you. Then we also include a bunch of templates for you. So we include squares, stories, reels, and let me show you what each of these looks like. So here are the squares. If you come in here, let's just actually go to edit the template so you guys can see all of them at once. And I'm just gonna come down in here. And you can see all of the ones that we include for you. So you can see a lot of them are having to do with the holidays. And so we include all of these. We even separate them out by day. So you always know on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, always what to post. And if I click on one of these, let's just say the December market update, and I click on here and then I click on notes, we even give you all of the copy, which you can throw these into ChatGPT and make them your own or reformulate them however you'd like, but we include all of the copy for all of the descriptions here as well. We also include the stories templates. So let me show you what these look like. So if I edit this, you can see that the stories will actually match the the square templates as well. And that's great because stories are different because stories will engage your current audiences, right? So you post the squares so that you can get in front of new people, and then you can post the stories to make sure that your current followers never miss a thing of the things that you post. And so we actually have tutorials on how to use the stickers and the polls and links and all of these things. So you can actually use these to get links to your blogs and to get leads. And we do that literally every single day in my local team. So we encourage you guys to do the same. And then I'm just going to go back here and I'm going to show you guys the reels. These are going to be the 15-second faceless reels. So if you don't want to get on camera, you can actually just include stock photos from Canva for free as part of your Canva membership and your Canva subscription. And then when you do that, you can basically create a bunch of reels that will allow you to do this really, really simply and easily. And then you can put all of your notes in the caption. And so then that way you don't even need to get on camera if you don't want to. Okay. So we have lots and lots of holiday stuff for you here. And then if I go here, we also have real estate reel ideas. So if you want to do your own reels, which we do, then you can come in here, you can copy this, and let me show you what that looks like. So we actually give you the scripts that you need to create your own vertical reels on your own. And so if you come in here, you can see that we give you an exact formula that you can follow so that the scripts are easy for you to remember. All you have to do is get on your iPhone, press record in selfie mode, and you're going to be good to go. The other thing we do is we give you YouTube video scripts as well. So let me show you what that looks like. These ones are going to be horizontal, whereas the other ones are going to be vertical. So you could just take these scripts here, and these change out every single month as well. So we give you the exact scripts that you need: 5 ways to save on insurance premiums, how to sell your home with holiday decorations out, can you sell a home with code violations, all of these things, right? We give you so many different ideas that you can have. 2024 year in review edition. So we give you that too. And then one of the cool things that we do just as a fun little bonus is we give December pop-by ideas. So my team has compiled an entire PDF of pop-bys, and these are going to be for the holidays. So we include ones that you can buy if you're feeling fancy, and they can just, come in here and you can drop them off at your clients' homes. And we also include the DIY ones if you want to keep it simple. So we include those as well. All right, so one of the things I want to just point out too that people sometimes forget about is we have a video swipe file. So when you click on the video swipe file, it's going to send you over to a lesson that's going to show you a list of videos that we've compiled from successful agents that are doing video and that are getting a lot of traction with their videos so that you can get some examples and samples on what you can be doing in your video marketing strategy as well. So we've given you every single thing that you could possibly ever need in order to create an amazing social media content strategy. And so all you have to do is just do it. That's it. So watch the call, the replay of the call where we showed you how to fill out your entire planner, your content planner. And then once you have that done, access the templates and get going. So we're generating leads today for sales and referrals in 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 18 months from now. So market today so that you can make money in the future. All right, so let's go ahead and get going and get started, and I'll see you soon. Happy December.